what's up? Welcome back to my channel. 11th is finally khatam. Yay! I'm so happy about it. Although yesterday was a maths exam which did not go well. Let's leave that topic already. And today will be a decluttering session with me because my table is a mess right now. There are so many books on my table, so many things more. Let me just show it to you. Look at the mess that I've created right here. I mean, this is insane. This is the first time I've even pasted a formula, and I never looked up to it while studying or not studying. Whenever I just sit near my table just looking at the formulas, no, it has never helped me. I think the way that I've written is not correct. Maybe it is too small, but no, I think it is alright. Like, see, I think it's fine for formulas to be written like this. Without wasting any more time, let's begin cleaning up.
I don't think I could ever look back. Just let it be and meet me on the edge of sunset.
Now I've reached till here and get my books on my bed here. Yeah, books which I've never used. NCRT, of course. 10th question banks.
Us to divide. Baby got me seeing stars like it's Griffith. Sick and neck deep.
It's me again with my OG anar and pomegranate. I love it. No, anar and banana. Yeah. I love this combo so much. It is so delicious. I mean, I just love it. Everybody should try it out once at least. It is way too delicious. Nobody was asking for it, but why not, right? जाना है, I have to wash my head and बाहर बारिश हो रहा है. Wow, it's great. ठीक है, और बारिश होते ही the मौसम has changed इतना ज़्यादा अच्छे से, like ठंड वापस आ गया and I am back to my sweater वाला phase again. There's still more to go, which is right here, which I will do it after I take a shower. Now I'm going to take a shower, so bye bye. Time to eat salad right now. Hi, so see, I got Adi Sharma for my 11th standard, and did I use it? No. Look at the condition, it's so new. I mean, you know, so new, and wow, the smell is still there. And I got this from one of my seniors and she also did not use it, and I also did not end up using it. I knew because I did only NCRT. Bhai, NCRT, theek hai. Yeah, only for the first chapter I used this book, and after that I did not use it. Yeah, for, you know, students who are preparing for JEE, of course they need to use such books because they will give JEE Advanced and JEE Mains. But for like students who are giving only boards, then it's not necessary. For class 11th at least. In 12th I don't know because I haven't started 12th maths till now. So it is not necessary to buy these books because you will not end up using it at all. NCRT is best for class 11 maths at least. Since I cleaned up my table, I also decided to organize my Almeida, so my brother was just helping me out there. He's such a sweet one. I'm in a huge trouble right now because let me show you what have I done. I need someone's help in clearing out this mess. I have come up with an idea that I'll remove the clothes which I don't need and I'll keep it somewhere else for now because my Almeida won't fit in all these clothes because I was just putting खाली मैं डाल रही थी उसके अंदर और सब भर गया था इतना ज़्यादा मेरा अलमीरा that now I don't have any more space, so I'll, you know, remove all of the clothes which are not necessary. Yeah, right now let's just begin without any more wasting any more time. Bye bye. So no, do not disturb me, okay? समझा कि नहीं?
What to do now? I drive through the street.
Sorry. Also, look at the top I have right here. This is such a cute top. I mean, I love this top so much. I can't wait to wear it again. I have worn it only for once and I could wear this each and every day. I mean, just look at it. It's so pretty, right?
3 hours later.
Finally, I am done cleaning up and I am so exhausted, and right now I am having guava. बारिश तो रुकता ही नहीं है भाई, सुबह से बारिश आ रहा है, अभी तक नहीं रुका. मतलब इसीलिए I don't like बारिश, and it makes me feel so bad. I don't know why. It looks so delicious. My mummy makes so tasty food. I mean, I just love it. The sabzi is so much delicious. Okay, so right here I was reading a book by Mark Manson, which was Subtle Art of Not Giving an F. I think everybody has heard of this book or even read it. I mean, I never read books, so I thought why not give it a try with this book. And then I completed my steps also. If you have made it till here, thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Maybe till then, bye bye.